Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Monday.com for focused work sprints. This is your complete 2025 guide to making your workdays more productive, so let's get started. First things first, create your new project on Monday.com. Click on the New button at the top of your dashboard. Select Project from the drop-down menu and give it a name. This helps us because we're setting up a dedicated space for our focused work sprints. Now that we've done that, let's set up our sprint timeline. On your new project board, click Add Column, then select Timeline. This will let you plan your work sprint by setting start and end dates. The reason we do this is to break down the work into manageable chunks, helping us to stay focused and avoid burnout. Next up, we will define our tasks. Click Add Item and list down all the tasks that need to be completed during the sprint. Assign priority and deadlines for each task. This helps us because it provides a clear idea of what needs to be done and by when. Having done so, the next step is to assign the tasks. Click on the person icon on the task and choose the team member who will be responsible for it. It's important to distribute the workload evenly, and Monday.com makes this super easy. Now let me explain why this matters. Assigning tasks ensures accountability and makes it clear who's responsible for what. This way, everyone knows what they should be working on during the sprint. Moving on, track your progress. Monday.com allows you to update the status of each task. Simply click on the status column next to each task and change the status as you progress. This helps us because it visualizes the progress and motivates the team to complete the tasks. Lastly, use the My Week feature. This is a personal dashboard that shows all tasks assigned to you due this week, so it's a great tool to stay focused and meet your deadlines. In conclusion, by creating a project, defining and assigning tasks, tracking progress, and using the My Week feature, Monday.com becomes an incredibly powerful tool for focused work sprints. And that's it, a quick and easy way to use Monday.com for your work sprints. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, stay focused, stay productive. Until next time.